Follow the steps to multiply 4-digit number with 2-digit number.
1. Write the numbers in columns. 20, 31 multiply with 15. 2. Multiply by the ones digit of the bottom number. 5. 3. Multiply by the tens digit of the bottom number. 1. 4. Add the two results together.
Tips for accuracy. Align the numbers correctly. Each digit should be in the correct column. Carry over properly. When a product exceeds 9, carry the tens digit over to the next higher place value. Add carefully. Ensure that each digit is added correctly, including any carried digits. By following these steps methodically, you
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.